is Professor Indranil Mukhopadhyay from Institute of Engineering and Management. I attended this 4-week online course on cybersecurity, and it had a special implication on vulnerability management and social engineering. To me, this particular workshop was an excellently placed. There were different types of interactive games. There were different types of speakers. Different people came in who talked about vulnerability management from taking all the aspects into it. And this was something which you do not find in an online platform. And even the social engineering was covered by wonderfully. That what kind of social engineering attacks you think of, you don't think of, and it was covered. So speakers like Sneha, Devraj and Scott, they did a really wonderful job of presenting the lectures in this workshop. To me, I wanted to know what are the things the industry wants from our students, so that I can make our students a little bit more industry ready. So from this workshop, I came to understand what are the important things that students need to know. And as they kind of understood it, I'll make sure that my students from Institute of Engineering and Management are ready somewhat when they join the industry. So that's my take on this workshop, and I hope in future Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industries will have similar workshops, and I will have the occasion of attending them. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. I'm very much happy to give an feedback regarding the course conducted by the Bengal Chamber of Commerce, where the objectives were very much clearly being met at their end. We were being I wanted specifically to get connected to the people working in the cybersec domain and the latest technologies and methodologies being followed in the cybersecurity domain, and I'm very happy that the objectives are met. And the best thing about the workshop was I got introduced to a few of the very eminent people who are working in the cybersecurity domain also. And one suggestion is if we can have more of some practicals of the tools, and also so that we can a lot appreciate the cybersecurity domain, and also if a few specific domain, also specific scenarios can be taken up, it would be very much helpful to us, and also we can find some business opportunities out of it. Thank you.